Right now, somewhere in the world, an AI is browsing the internet. It's reading emails, writing code, booking meetings, and placing orders. No human told it to do each step, it just figured it out. This is not science fiction. This is happening today, and it's called the AI agent revolution. For the last 2 years, everyone talked about AI chatbots. You ask a question, it gives an answer. Simple. But AI agents are fundamentally different. A chatbot reacts, an agent acts. You give an agent one goal. It breaks that goal into steps, executes each one, checks the results, adjusts, and keeps going until the job is done. No hand-holding, no step-by-step instructions, just a goal and a result. Here's a real example. A sales manager at a tech company types one sentence into an AI agent. Find me 50 potential clients in the SaaS space, research each one, and draft personalized outreach emails. 2 hours later, it's done. Research completed. Emails written, personalized for every single contact. What used to take a team of 3 people an entire week done by one AI in an afternoon. Now multiply that across every department in every company on Earth. That's the scale of what's coming. So who's building these agents right now? Everyone. OpenAI launched Operator, an agent that can browse the web, fill forms, and complete tasks autonomously. Google DeepMind is building agents that work directly inside your Gmail, Docs, and Calendar. Microsoft's Copilot agents are already live inside enterprise software used by millions of companies. Salesforce launched Agentforce AI agents that handle customer service, sales pipelines, and support tickets without a single human involved. And startups are racing even faster. Cognition AI built Devin, the world's first AI software engineer. It doesn't just write code. It reads documentation, debugs errors, deploys updates, and ships features end to end. Early testers reported it completed real engineering tasks that would take a junior developer days. The implications are enormous because we are not talking about AI assisting workers anymore. We are talking about AI replacing entire workflows, not jobs workflows. And that distinction matters. The jobs that survive won't be the ones that are hardest to automate. They'll be the ones where humans provide what agents can't. Judgment, creativity, relationships, trust. The question is no longer, will AI affect my industry? The question is, how fast? In customer service, AI agents are already handling 60 to 80% of Tier 1 support tickets at major companies. In software development, AI is writing over 30% of new code at companies like Google and Microsoft. In finance, AI agents are running compliance,